Welcome. Today I am with Apple TV 4K and I will show you how we can install apps in this device. So when you are on our menu and we set up our device as new, we get here only 6 apps. And if you want to get more, you have to go for the App Store. And here you can, for example, download YouTube. And you have to input your passcode. If you don't set up your passcode, you will be able to make it right now. I get very common, that's misclicked. Let's go another time. I got 40, and after a few moments we'll be able to get the YouTube on our Apple TV, but we have to wait a little bit, so be patient. And right now, after a few moments, we can open this YouTube. And as you can see, that's how it works. And if you go back to the home settings, right now the YouTube will appear on the screen. And that's all. If you find this video helpful, remember to have a like, comment, and of course subscribe to our channel.